Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your money into Bitcoin easily. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned crypto enthusiast, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First up, choose a Bitcoin exchange. You need a reliable platform, and some popular options are Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini, and Bitstamp. Pick one that suits your needs. Next, create an account on your chosen exchange. This usually involves signing up and verifying your identity. Yes, you'll need to submit some personal information, but that's to keep things secure. Once your account is set up, deposit the funds you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you're using fiat currency, you can do this via a bank transfer or credit to debit card. If you're converting from another cryptocurrency, just make a crypto deposit. Now comes the exciting part, converting to Bitcoin. Head over to the trading section of the exchange, select Bitcoin, BTC, and input the amount you want to convert. Don't forget to review the details like fees before confirming the transaction. After you've got your Bitcoin, it's time to secure it. Transfer your Bitcoin to a secure wallet. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor are great for security, while software wallets like Electrum or Exodus are also good options. If you're trading, you might leave small amounts in an exchange wallet, but be cautious. Lastly, monitor your investment. Keep an eye on your Bitcoin's value and security using apps or websites like CoinMarketCap or Blockfolio. Before I go, here are a couple of quick tips. Be mindful of fees. Exchange, deposit, and withdrawal fees can add up. And always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. That's it. Converting your money into Bitcoin is straightforward if you follow these steps. Thanks for watching and happy investing.